Good morning, afternoon, evening, YouTube, whichever it is. This is NWA Adventures. I am here today with a small review of an awesome product that I bought from ACW Tactical. Let's see if I can get that in my camera. I got the headgear on, so up is down, left is right, yada yada. Anyway, so this is the MacGyver pack from ACW, and the reason I wanted to kind of make this review is I've been using ACW Tactical's products for quite a while. A lot of EDC stuff, quote-unquote survival stuff. It's just, if MacGyver needed it, he would have it. And that's kind of what this pack was based off of. This is their MacGyver pack. This is the MacGyver pouch. Their whole MacGyver pack system. You need to check out their website that shows everything that comes in this if you buy it as a kit. Now I just bought it as the just the bag itself, and the reason I did that, I wanted to build my own kit. I used most of their ideas, ACW Tacticals. I used most of their ideas to round out my kit, and this one's empty because I actually have another one right here. Same pouch, but it's got the satellite pouches on the side. Now, the cool thing about these pouches is you can drop them off to the side like this, and you have full access to open up the main pouch and get into your contents. Now, I'll kind of go over what's inside mine later, but if you want to see what really should go in these, go to ACW Tactical's website and check out their MacGyver pouch. Mine is basically based right off of it, with a few small changes here or there. These sat pouches are mollied on, and you can use them separate, you can use them alone, you can use them as part of a kit like this. I went ahead and did, left and right. You have to buy them separate, of course, but that's not a big deal. The prices are pretty good on these, and the quality is really good. The only issue I had with quality, ACW took care of, and that's what I'm going to go over why I have two of these. But first, the sat pouches. These are them. You can throw them on left or right, one or two. You can use them separate. I have one set up as kind of a tool kit, and then I have the other one set up as a medical kit. Nothing major, boo-boos, what you may or may not need. The rest of this kit is packed with anything and everything you could need for urban or wilderness. Basically, there's fire starters and shelter making stuff. There's clear tubing, there's copper wire, there's zip ties, there's nuts and bolts and nails, and just paper clips, everything you can think of. That's why they call it the MacGyver kit. You saw me pull this off the front there when I unbuckled it, and the reason is these are on a rip away. So if you want to mount this in your vehicle, you just rip the whole panel off and take it with you. The strap did not come with it. I added the shoulder strap so I could carry it around as an EDC bag, and it's a heck of an EDC bag. I love this thing. Alright, so we'll go over that a little more here in a minute. The reason I have two, this was my original, and I don't know if you can see it, but right here on this piece of molly, I had to kind of fix it. But before I fixed it, it had ripped a little bit. This piece of molly webbing ripped. Now, I did have it overloaded like this, and I had a pin in there, and I think something may have got caught on the pin and kind of snagged it and kind of pulled out that stitching. Now, I got a hold of ACW right away and said, hey, you guys, might want to kind of look at the stitching on these, because I did rip mine. I'm not asking for a replacement. I just wanted to let them know what was up, because I planned on fixing it just like this. I just kind of stitched it and melted the webbing. So ACW got back to me immediately, and great guys. They said, hey, no, we're going to send you another one reinforced in that area, because that's how you carry stuff. And you can see I did move my pin, but I didn't want that to happen again, just in case. But anyway, they said, no, we're sending you a brand new pack, just the MacGyver pack, and the old one you can keep it, you can trash it, whatever you want to do with it. So here I am. I've got a little spare. I'm going to make this one up into just a med kit or something to keep in my truck. I'll kind of show you the rip away feature there a little better on this one. But yeah, just grab the grab handle. Whoop, actually the grab handle stays on here, and you can tear it completely off. So there you go. That is the rip away feature. And putting it back on is pretty easy. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to brag on ACW Tactical, and their customer service blows me away more than anything. I mean, their products are great. I've done a few reviews on their website on some of the products I've bought. I've bought the bag, the 2 sout patches, and lots of little gear. They have everything. I mean, you know, multi-tools and flashlights and medical supplies, etc. So please check out ACW Tactical. It's a USA-based company, excellent people. I don't do it justice with this video, and this small setback with a a molly rip does not bother me one bit. I think the price I paid was is well worth the gear. It's well worth the customer service for sure. So hopefully you guys at ACW Tactical see this. I really want to give you guys a shout out and let you know how much I love your products. I carry this in my truck every day, and when I step out of my truck to go somewhere that's more than just a few minutes, this goes with me because it's got everything I could ever need for any situation I could think of. So please check out ACW Tactical. Jump over there, give them some love. Even if you don't buy anything, they do have a feedback section. Sign up for their emails. They'll even send you a little something for free. Anytime I've ordered something from them, they have stuck some free gear in there for me. It's just great. They're a great company. So please check them out. If I ever get a chance to get more of their gear and do some more reviews, I'm going to. I want to do more in depth of what's inside this pack. I've had it packed for quite a while. So ACW Tactical, hey, let me know if you need a YouTube reviewer, because I would be happy to check out new stuff for you, and I don't mind begging to play with your gear. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great one.